Hello, and welcome to the Mathematics in a Modern World course. I'm Sir John, your course instructor. The topic for today's discussion is correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is a statistical method that is used to discover if there is a relationship between two variables or datasets. With this method, we can see the patterns and evaluate how strong that relationship is. Consider the following questions. Does spending more time in school lead to higher wages? Can we say that a PhD holder earns more money than an undergraduate holder? Or can we say that there is a relationship between years of education and wages? To answer that, we need to gather data. But what specific data? These are the data for an employed person's years of education and their corresponding wages. The data that we require is essentially bivariate data, data that involve two variables. Assume we surveyed 15 employees, as shown in Table 1. Now, to see the pattern of this bivariate data directly, you must use a scatter plot. This graph shows variables relationships. It uses dots to represent two numeric variables. Now, how do we interpret this scatter plot? Well, as you can see from the graph, it seems there is no relationship between years of education and monthly wages. The relationship, or correlation between two variables, can be described in terms of direction and strength. When two variables move in the same direction, they have a positive correlation. When two variables move in opposite directions, there is a negative correlation. When high values in one variable match high or low values in another, there is no correlation. The correlation coefficient R measures the strength of a relationship between two variables. It ranges from -1 to +1. A perfect positive correlation, for example, means that the correlation coefficient is exactly 1. This table summarizes the correlation strength based on a correlation coefficient R. If R is equal to -1, then it can be interpreted as perfect negative correlation. Consider this example to apply the concepts presented. Here, I will show you how to use Excel to create a scatter plot of the data and calculate the correlation. Step 1. Select the two variables data. Here it is temperature and sales. We will select range D3 E8. Step 2. Click Insert. Step 3. Go to Charts. Scatter. Then select Scatter. And the chart is ready. To calculate the coefficient in Excel, use the formula equals corr per A1 or A2, the set of values of x and y, respectively. The coefficient is 0.97. Hence, there is a very high positive correlation. We can also use Data Analysis Toolkit in Excel to compute the correlation coefficient. Simply follow the following steps. Step 1. Enable data analysis in Excel. If you see this icon, you have successfully enabled it. Step 2. Click on Data followed by Data Analysis. A dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, select Correlation from the list of options. Then click OK. The correlation menu will appear. In this menu, please provide the input range. The input range is the cell range of temperature and sales columns, as highlighted in the picture below. If your dataset contains labels, check the first row option. In my case, column 1 is labeled temperature, and column 2 is total sales. Then, click OK. You can see now the data analysis table. The table shows the correlation coefficient between temperatures and total sales, which is similar to the previous computed coefficient using corr function. We'll use this data analysis toolkit to do regression analysis in our next discussion. Thank you for watching.